Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2624 for the 2020 Topps Tier 1. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, July 4th, 2020. It is 10:23 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:23 p.m. Central Time, and 7:23 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Bombers 1 spot, Triple B sack with 1 spot, Kenner 2, Rinsky 4, Clay with 2, JM 2, Rilo 1, Mike Will 2, Robert 2, CBD cards 4, Denver 1, Superman 2, Will the Card Guy 1, Mad Dog 3, Bryant 1, and Velma 1. Now we're going to take every spot, randomize it 7 times to determine our team or teams for the list. Bombers on top. Velma bottom once, twice. You guys see that Yankees live practice today? Tanaka taking that one like a champ off the head. That was pretty scary. That ball went flying up in the air. 7 times. Has Mad Dog on top, JM on the bottom. Must have a hard head. All right, Mad Dog with the Diamondbacks, Rinsky Braves, Velma Orioles, Clay with the Red Sox, Rilo with the Cubs, Rinsky with the White Sox, Will with the Reds, CBD cards Indians, Kenner Rockies, Bombers Tigers, Bryant Astros, Claymard with the Royals, Kenner Angels, CBD cards Dodgers, Mad Dog Marlins, Mike Will with the Brewers, CBD cards Twins, Robber Mets, Denver Yankees, JM Athletics, Triple B sack Phillies, Rinsky Pirates, Superman Padres, Robber Man with the Giants, Mad Dog Mariners, CBD cards Cardinals, Rinsky Rays, Superman Rangers, Mike Will Blue Jays, and last but not least, the Nationals. We're going to JM. Yeah. Luckily, he was able to walk off. Then you got David Price, another guy sitting out. The whole COVID thing's so weird. All right, good luck, everybody. We should have at least 2 autos and a relic. Some boxes do have a 4th card. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. So let's see what we have. There's our pack. Alrighty. One, two, three. Empty. Yeah, we're going to be here for a while. First up, Atlanta Braves. Auto, Ronald Acuna Jr., 7 out of 100, Tier 1 talent. Very nice for Atlanta. Congrats to the Braves. The Braves first off the board. And then we have for the Oakland Athletics Tier 1 Game Used Memorabilia, Raymond Loreno and the Oakland Athletics, 304 out of 395 for Oakland. And Loreno. Tier 1 relic. And then last but not least, we have the Braves, the Athletics. Then we have Luis Perez, 280 out of 299 auto for the Minnesota Twins. Congrats to the Twins breakout auto. Sweet. All right. Now let's go back through and see who is getting what. Starting with Atlanta. Atlanta is going to Rinsky 7. Congrats, Rinsky, on the Cunha auto. Then we have the Oakland Athletics. Add 2660 to our list. Thanks, guys. Oakland Athletics, JM, LVY. Congrats, John. And then last but not least, the Minnesota Twins. Minnesota Twins going to Robert. Congrats. Oh, excuse me. That's the Mets. I'm one off. There we go. CBD cards. Excuse me. Congrats, CBD cards on the Twins. So we have 3 cards, 3 winners. Congrats, guys. That was break 2624 for the 2020 Topps Tier 1. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p2jsportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then right after that, we'll have break 2641 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Thanks.